Hi guys, it's your girl Belsy Bright. Hope you all doing great. I woke up this morning, guys. Thinking of a makeup look to do. I think I'll be doing glam makeup today. But guess what? Guess who called me today? Theola May. She's a model, so she'll be coming over to my place for me to do her makeup. So guys. Stay tuned. Today will be a very great day, makeup day. So, guys, I can't wait. Hi, guys. See who we have here. Theola May.
Hey! Hey guys, with Belsy Bright today, my sweetie pie. Long time no see.
I'm telling you.
She'll be doing my makeup and my eyelashes today
Oh
for
my God.
casting call. Looking forward to
Oh
it.
my God, I can't wait. I can't wait, guys. So, I'll be taking you guys along. Guys, don't worry. Stay tuned. We'll be right there. Okay? So, she wanted a simple makeup.